up, guys? SGK TV Network in the building. Another sneaker review, another unboxing, another COVID-19 steal, another one of the best Jordan 1s ever made. Custom looking thing, and this is kind of like my episodes of rebuying the same ish that I bought one time or 4 times that was stolen by the Trout-Mouth. Be it, you know what I'm talking about? It's one of them joints, but I think it's here. Hopefully it is what it is. Super underrated, one of the best. Great prices. Heat is what you like, and you know what time it is. We're gonna get right to it. I spent too much time working on the studios. Last time you guys see me unboxed 2 of these that were for the speakers, and I told you guys I was missing the 15-footer one for the booth. Well, this one came in, but we're still missing the interface and a couple of other things. But just one of the monitors. And that's on the sub, you feel me? It's not on the main. So, as always, before I get started, peace and blessings, and let's get to it. I'm using $1.50 for these joints, you know what I'm saying? Again, some of you guys let me know what's going on with shipping and stuff like that. As far as Nike, still waiting on Nike. We're about 30 days for about 4 orders, which is what it is. I could easily hit PayPal and like, yo, never delivered, and they'll check, and it was never delivered, and that's that. You know what I'm saying? Also, I'm buying a motorcycle. So, yeah, buying a motorcycle. So I got rid of a few kicks, you know what I'm saying, to buy a motorcycle. Here we go. One of my favorite Jordans of all time. Yeah, Jordan 1 Retro, the KOs, Hyde, RTTG, Road to the Gold. This is like that airbrush, custom type of feel one of my favorites. Stealth, Sunburst, University Blue, White, 10 US, 9 UK, box. Man, you can see that. I don't know how StockX accepts this when they don't accept stuff from me, when it's even not as bad. But hey, here we go. Same as the UAs, you know what I'm saying? They got a receipt. You know, Road to the Gold Barcelona's, of course. Not a bad price. Got a good steal on these. Let's make sure they A1 Gucci, how they supposed to be. And here they go. Got them back. Got them back. Got them back. Got them back. Making them both out. You guys have an old review on these, like from the first or like $120 type of deal. But hey, you know, you got Trout-Mouth, you know, fishes around you. You got to get rid of them Trout-Mouth fishes and swim and do all that, and everybody around them as well. Make sure you scan your QR codes from StockX and all that, even though the UAs is coming real wavy, man, as well. You know what I'm saying? And here they go. We're going to start a good review for these, because I think a lot of people should cop these. You know what I'm saying? Just to be honest with you. Sunburst bottom, right? Jordan 1, jump off, stars on the pivot point, right? The usual Sunburst, jump off. White mid, all lights are on today. Everything is Gucci. White mid. California canvas on the gray. I can see a little stain right there. You know, we're dealing with StockX, so you know, So the gray is all California canvas or canvas, except the tongue, as far as like the, you know, that area and that area. We go to toe cap, blam. That's the wave. Beautiful. That's the wave. Toe cap, toe box. You see the airbrush, custom finished look to these joints that I'm talking about. Blam. So mid-white California canvas on the gray. Boom, right? Then you got some more canvas stitching on the black. Then you got the nubuck swoosh Nike check with that airbrush type of feel, as you can see, with like a infrared, solar red type of color fading off into some black. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like the toe box, if you can see it. You know, it's kind of like a custom type of feel look. One of my favorite Jordan 1s of all time. Look at the bag. Let's look at the booty. Great pickup. Hey, man. It is what you like. Remember that. Again, the California canvas. California canvas on with the red. Boom. Right. Got that airbrush type of wave coming through. Then you got the nubuck up here in the red, but you still kind of have that airbrush type of feel. You know what I'm saying? Coming through a little bit around the edges. Stitching up there, black. You got that canvas in black, just like right here as well. Right in the middle, right here. You got some tumbled leather. You know, the KOs, you know, they open up, so, you know, it's all leather right up in there. You know what I'm saying? Blam. You got the gray eyelids, alloyed out. Blam, 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 blam. Back, boom, outside. Gray eyelids, blam, you know that. Blam, blam, blam. You know what I'm saying? Up here as well. AJKO, Wings logo, acrylic, shinied out. You know, or Angelus, you know, not satin finish, but shiny or acrylic type of finish. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to the laces, you got these baby blue, like Argentina blue laces on these joints. When it comes to the tongue, you have a gray tongue with the Jumpman and the air patch. And that same solar rich type of red, again, call it what you want. The tongue is not canvas, nothing like that. It's like a very thick, you know, nylon type of wave. Like that'd be the easiest way that I can put it at the end of the day. Shoe trees, blam, we Gucci. So here go the shoe tree. One of them. Make sure I can put that one back. Got the other shoe tree. On the back of the tongue, you have the RTTG logo embroidered, red and white, rolled to the gold. On the laces, you have the platinum aglets. You know what I'm saying? Look at the quality of the laces. They're pretty Gucci. You know what I'm saying? Go to inside. Again, on the back, you got RTTG, rolled to the gold. Shoe tree, hold on. One-handed. Hold on, I'll do this. Get some of the collection of the build. I'm saying, blam. Got the footbed with the Jumpman. Like a satinish type of wave. In that same red. More like cotton or something like that. Same type of wave as the outside Jumpman. I don't know if the stickers is not in there. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. You know, stock get. You know? Sock liner guts. Again, got that baby blue. Not like this. More like a thick cotton. You know what I'm saying? That shiny jump off. On these incredible. Lace super tight. So you don't want them like this at all. So, you know, canvas. On the toe box, you have your Jordan 1 leather. But again, you have that like airbrush from dark to light to like the solar red, infrared. You know what I'm saying? RTTG on the back to go to the inside of that one. Let me see if we got like a tag inside this one or something different. Nah, same jump off. You know, the Jumpman debossed into the insole. You know what I'm saying? Getting back of the tongue. A lot of beautiful, you know, attention to detail to these. You know, from the gray stitching, from the front of the tongue to when you get to the inside, you're dealing with that blue, that cotton, shiny jump off, the aglets. Again, no lace tip, we got aglets, platinum joints on these. You know, just again, one of my favorite Jordans of all time. And again, they're tied up, so you know the KOs, we let this go. You know, and you got that whole jump off that travels all the way to the top, and then you got nothing but Jordan leather. You know, back there, going around on the top on the ankle support, the canvas, the nubuck with the spray paint, the Jordan 1 leather on the toe box with that fade off, the California canvas, the alloy eyelids, the blue laces. Extra laces would have been dope and crazy to come with these, as far as like maybe some red ones, some yellow ones, you know, sunbursts, jump offs. But again, you can play around with laces. The insoles are really, really cool. How like the Jumpman is debossed in the same color, but the camera's not going to do it no justice. No need for no UA stuff under the insole, but still has like that black trim. You know, it's still, the KOs are one of my favorites. So right now I'm trying to go after, you know, the Chicago KOs, the Bread KOs, the Sport Blue KOs, the Road to Barcelona joints. But these are one of my favorite ones. Favorite KO of all time, hands down. One of my favorite Jordans of all time. You have every material that you can possibly think on here. You have leather, you have nubuck, you have like that flat Jordan 1 OG type of leather. You have this custom, you know, airbrush type of feel on the nubuck on the swoosh. Same as on the front on the toe box. Premium pretty much laces. The tongue is like really crazy as far as like the thickness and the quality. Cotton guts interior. RTG gives you that kind of exclusivity, you know, type of feel when you get, you know, when you get treats, you know what I'm saying, and do kicks correctly. Kind of can see the quality. Has that shiny feel. You know, you have your leather, like as far as like your tumbled or that thick type of leather. On the other side of these, you have like this printing. It's kind of like a rubberized type of jump off with the X's. You know, this different from the canvas jump off. This is different, like polyurethane, leather. I mean, again, you can't go wrong. I've been waiting a while to hit a bid on these and grab these and get them back in my collection. I had to buy them 3 times. This is the 4th time I bought them. And yeah, that's about it for these. StockX, another good pickup. Box a little damaged. That's just like where the sticker and the price was, which the seller took off, which seller shouldn't bother because he probably paid $87 5, 6, 7 years ago or something like that. You don't got to worry about that. But original box price is $125. You know what I'm saying? Nowadays, the KOs, Breads, Chicago, Sport Blues, and all them are going for $350. I grabbed these at a pretty good, decent price, somewhere under around $300. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, butter biscuit, man, quality. A1 sauce. One of my favorite KOs. My favorite road to Barcelona, and one of my favorite Jordan 1s of all time. And it's not a mid, it's not an OG high, it's a KO. And peace and blessings, wish you guys nothing but the best. And there go the actual Jordan 1 Retro KO high, road to the gold, stealth, sunburst, university blue, white. So you got the sunburst on the outer, white mid, university blue, like the white. The red would be that university. This is like university blue, but that don't make a lot of sense. You know what I'm saying? For a university blue. And the stealth probably is the gray, or it's probably like the custom feel with the airbrush to the red and the black. That might be the stealth. University black and white. So university black, white, the stealth, the gray, the sunburst obviously is going to be the bottoms. And definitely can play around with laces. The patch is dope. Again, it's red October-ish, solar reddish as far as like the red goes, if you ask me, And it's a baby blue, Argentina type of blue colorway, you know what I'm saying? That's all there's to it. Try to break it down for you guys. Trying to bring you guys steals, good quality, being different from everybody else, and recop videos. Rebuying shit that the bitch stole. You know what I'm saying? It's the 4th time I bought these shoes, along with another 48 shoes that I bought 3-4 times. But we're gonna show her what's up. And I'm buying a motorcycle just to stunt on her with no help on my own. So we'll get to that video later on. Stunting bikes and kicks and stuff like that. Peace and blessings. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, the review, the unboxing, the StockX review. A1 sauce, quality, dead stock. Smell good, everything Gucci. Might need to grab another pair of these. And you guys want a good kick, a dope looking joint. Now that you guys like to play around with laces and stuff like that, don't hesitate to, check these out, man. At all.